Hi, my name is Jake Parks. I'm an engineer here at Emerson in Marshalltown, Iowa, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Fisher 4680 pilot controller. Many folks in the natural gas industry are trying to limit methane emissions to atmosphere, and one popular way of doing this is by installing intermittent vent process controllers on control valves. The 4680 is much like other pressure controllers from Fisher, like the C1, the 4190 series, but the difference is that the 4680 has zero instrument bleed to atmosphere in the steady state. Let's look at the operation of the 4680. In principle, it's going to be much like a pressure regulator. If you want to increase the set point, you would tighten down the set point adjustment screw. This compresses the spring inside of the control spring chamber, raising your set point. If you want to do the opposite, you would back that screw out, take some of the tension off of that spring, and lower your set point, just like a regulator. The way that we accomplish zero bleed in the steady state is with this deadband adjustment drum here. So when you adjust this to the numbers being higher, it increases the size of the deadband, the range of pressures in which it won't bleed anything to atmosphere. If you increase that deadband too much, though, you won't have any control accuracy. So when you calibrate it, you need to set the deadband as narrow as is tolerable for your process. That way you're staying accurate, but still limiting emissions. The 4680 is compatible with a variety of different actuator types and can handle a number of different process conditions. Contact your Emerson sales office to learn more.